Welcome to the Storyteller's Path. Let's learn English together.
Mia, why are you so quiet today?
Mom, I didn't speak in class.
Didn't you know the answer?
I knew it, but my voice didn't come out.
That happens sometimes. How did you feel?
Small. Everyone was looking at me.
Looking doesn't mean judging.
Some students laughed.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. That hurts.
I feel like my English is not good.
Your English is growing. Growth is slow, not wrong.
Others speak so easily.
They started earlier. You started later. That's all.
What if I make mistakes again? Mistakes are part of learning. What if my voice shakes? A shaking voice is still a voice. Will the teacher understand? Yes, and even if they don't, you keep trying. Can we practice together? Of course. Say this with me. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Again, slowly. I am learning English. Perfect. How do you feel now? A little better. That's progress. Tomorrow I will raise my hand. I'm proud of you. Even if I'm scared? Especially then. Mom, will you help me practice every day? Yes, just 10 minutes is enough. What should we practice first?
Simple sentences, small steps.
Like what?
Like this. I can speak English. I can speak English. Say it again, but believe it. I can speak English. That's better. Confidence grows like that.
What if I forget words?
Then you pause. Thinking is not failure.
What if people wait? Let them wait. Your voice matters. I want to be brave. You already are. You're trying. Tomorrow I won't hide. And if you feel afraid, I will breathe and try again. That's all learning needs. Thank you, Mom. Always, Mia.